What started as a probe on the construction of the new Senate building has turned into a rift-centered hearing between two lawmakers who, suffice to say, are not that fond of each other. This as one of the protagonists contemplates an ethics complaint against the other for allegedly name-calling the former. Daniel Manalastas fills us in on this development at the upper chamber in this report.
Kung ano nung paninira, kung ano sinasabi mo sa akin, sabi mo may sumasaksak sa likod mo, di kasuhan mo ng attempted murder. Sino ba sumasaksak sa likod mo? Wala akong alam doon.
Sige, bubulong ko sa iyo mamaya kung sino yung sumasaksak.
Oh, pero hindi ako. Eh, ano kilalaman ko doon is sasabihin mo...
Actually, Mr. Chairman, may sinabi ba akong ikaw? Wala akong sinasabi na ikaw, ha?
Paano mo sasabihin mo sa media, may kilalaman to sa Taguig at Makati, tapos
pero,
sasabihin mo may sumasaksak sa likod mo, ano iisipin nila?
Pero sinabi ko ba na Alan Peter Cayetano ang sumasaksak sa akin? Parang, di ba sabi nila yung pag nagre-react ng ganyan, baka guilty.
Ma'am, basta sasabihin ko sa iyo, Lourdes ang pangalan mo, hindi Marites. Kaya ayusin natin to, nakakahiya na.
Hindi po tayo Marites, Mr. Chair.
This was yesterday's drama and heated argument between Senators Alan Peter Cayetano and Nancy Binay at the Senate hearing. The heated exchange was on the numbers on the controversial new Senate building that has allegedly reached 23 billion pesos. But now, Binay is consulting her staff if she needs to file an ethics complaint against Cayetano. Binay was not pleased with the way he acted last hearing. PTV News sought Cayetano's response or reaction, but he has yet to reply or comment. Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino, who is also the chairman of the Ethics Committee, said he will deal with the complaint once it is referred to his committee. Senator Robin Padilla, for his part, believes to always set personal issues aside when at work or doing business.
Talagang mga isang siga sa Makati, isang siga sa Taguig. Siyempre, yung akin lang, huwag matakpan yung issue ng pag-uusap. Kung mag-usap silang dalawa, mas maganda yun. Pero ang pakiusap ko lang doon sa lahat ng mga senador, sa mga kapareho kong neophyte, sa mga veterano na dito, kailangan nating linawin ang issue na to.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.